Today we are here with a guide to troubleshoot and fix issues if the Instagram app is not updating to the latest version or the update is not showing. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Now, the other option is delete the Instagram app from your device and reinstall it again from the App Store or Play Store. Long press on the Instagram app and a drop down menu will appear. From there, tap on the remove the app or delete app option available and delete it. After that, try restarting your device. Restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches with updates. Now go to the settings app and inside settings tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the software update and update your iOS version to the latest. If there is an install option available, simply tap on the install and download it. Now, once downloaded, simply go back to the settings general again and inside general tap on the iPhone storage. Now from the list of apps tap on the Instagram, then tap on the upload app and confirm the upload by tapping on the confirmation page. Now, after all done so and the issue still persists, then all you have to do is go to the Instagram app. Once inside Instagram, tap on your profile picture option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile. Once inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and look for the help option available there and simply tap on the help. Once inside the help, tap on the report a problem option available. Then tap on the report without shaking. Then tap on include and continue. Now all you have to do is describe your issue and submit the form. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.